sort of set the stage with you, because I think many people are learning how to adapt to what decentralized finance really is. Let's just start there. In your eyes, what is decentralized finance?
Well, first, Chris, I want to ask you a personal question. Who cares more about your health, your family, or your finances than you do?
Absolutely nobody.
Absolutely nobody. Not the banks, not the government, not the hospital, not the doctor, nobody, right? So that's what DeFi is really about. It's about your finances and your personal responsibility, and it's about you doing the best you possibly can do for you and your family. So when you have a DeFi product, a DeFi token, what that essentially means is you own that and it's in your possession apart from the banks. They can't freeze it like they did up in Canada to the truckers. They can't confiscate it without your key. It is solely your property.
I love how you just frame that. So
And with
help us
our own
understand.
token through Reaper Financial and the Reaper.
Sorry, Patrick, we're getting a little bit of feedback from you, but so go say that again about the Reaper token.
Go ahead.
So just explain for
Yep.
people
So with
then
the Reaper token,
how. I don't know why we're having this, but go ahead, man.
Yeah, our timing's a little off. So with the Reaper token, you're able to simply own our token and hold it in your wallet. And by holding it in your wallet, we pay a passive income in the form of XRP. So you don't have to sell it against the market and lower the value of your own Reaper. You could even compound it, buying more Reaper. And you get that payment every 2 weeks, and it will eventually go up to every week. And those payments are a passive income simply for holding the token. And then what we're also working on, and we have a very brilliant team working on this right now all week out in St. Louis. And this team is building a debt reaping tool. So this tool will mortgage, pulling your student loans, your hospital bills, whatever it is. And it's going to be making payments on your behalf simply for holding Reaper. So not only will you be getting a passive income, you'll be paying your bills simply by holding. And it's something that cannot be taken away from you. And that is true financial power and financial responsibility for you and your family.
Patrick, I want to back up to when you talked about having the person be their own custodian, meaning when you said, hey, Chris, a bank can't prevent you from having access to these digital assets. So how do I become my own custodian and prevent the bank from being able to stop me to have access to those particular assets?
So when you open a wallet with Reaper, it's the XM app or XUMM. And if you download that app and install it on your phone, it's going to give you a key, or basically a series of numbers, or it can be a phrase. And you write that phrase or those numbers down and you keep them in a safe place offline so they don't get hacked. Put them in a literal safe. And anytime you want to in the future, you can use that key, that seed phrase, to go and access the ledger of the blockchain, and your tokens will still be there. They cannot move without somebody having that key or that phrase.
Patrick, we're having some audio issues, but real quickly, I've got about 30 seconds. I want to